I'm in the process of making these 100 crappy YouTube videos, and I'm gonna upload them for the entire world to see. If you're new to creating videos and uploading them online, putting yourself out there, you've probably felt the desire to not upload the videos just because it became too crappy or maybe too cringy for your channel. You didn't finish what you started because something you said wrong, something you didn't say, something you didn't get recorded, or you have a tendency to see all the things you could have done differently. And all the things you have wanted to change now, but now it's too late and you have already shot your video. What you're gonna do now? Are you going to go back and make it all over again just to try to make it perfect? Nope. You don't feel like going to shoot all that again just to try to get it perfect. So this is where enough is enough. I can't simply allow myself this procrastinator mindset. I have to get over this over-analyzing mind and put out some videos. This is truly not a productive and healthy way to produce videos. By over-analyzing and being too perfectionist with your very first videos. This was what kept me from uploading in 3 months. So I would create a video with the intention to upload it to YouTube. When I got to the editing process, editing and watching the clips you've just filmed, it just didn't live up to my expectations. The thing I saw in my head was not what I saw on the screen. How can you save that? How can you sit and watch yourself and you just sitting, damn, it's bad. Damn, it's bad. How can I ever upload this to YouTube? This is just not good enough. You haven't even uploaded 100 YouTube videos, but are you trying to make a perfect video? You haven't even tried to make 100 imperfect videos yet. You have to realize that this is all just bullshit. If you do not finish your project on time, you will not learn the art of delivering content consistently. Delivering every single week. When you've completed your project and you can tell that all these things need to change in the next one, put it out there and move on to the next. Improve all the things that you can, move on to the next and the next. If I shoot a video with the intention to upload it on YouTube, I'm also gonna edit that son of a bitch. I'm gonna edit it with the best of my abilities. I'm also gonna put it out on YouTube for the entire world to see. This is the bloody ugly start, and it is supposed to be bloody and ugly. You just have to suck it up. You need to upload at least 100 videos before you even have a clue about what you're doing with your YouTube game. If you haven't uploaded more than a couple of videos, how can you expect amazing results in every single area of your creation career? You have to put out the content, put in the work, get it out there. Your first 100 videos will suck. You gotta suck it up and go through that phase. You have to work your way towards greatness. If we want to see results, we have to put in the work. Consistency is key, and I'm really putting my knowledge to work with this consistency. Not really. It's coming one day. Gonna grab some coffee. The insulated, clean canteen. This is what we're drinking the coffee off, right? It's gonna stay hot. For 20 hours. If that's something you're interested in, links down below. Ideas for videos have never been a problem and an issue for me. I have hundreds of different video ideas that is waiting for entering the production phase. Sometimes I would go shoot multiple videos in one day, just to have multiple videos editing over the week, to go edit on the work days, have some filmed content to edit. I would do this so I could get a consistent flow on my upload schedule. This didn't work as intended. So instead, I ended up procrastinating by cutting a little bit in the first one, and then moving on by rough editing the second one. Until the third one, I would edit a little bit of that one before I would go shoot the fourth one. And a little bit there, a little bit over here, and the first and the third, and working on multiple projects at once, just reaching a millimeter on every single video, just not getting anything done, not uploading a single video. So before I knew about it, I had 5 videos in work in progress and a lot of videos in not good enough, my folder, and 0 uploads in 3 months. Great job. Trying to get them all done at once, getting nowhere. Diversifying my focus and attention on a wide range of different videos, instead of just a laser target focusing one video at a time, getting it done, moving on to the next, getting that done, moving on to the next, getting that done. Boom, 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 boom. Smash out content. Just like that. Don't have to be perfect. Can very well be imperfect. If you have not uploaded 100 YouTube videos yet, then I want to encourage you to give yourself permission to deliver imperfect results. Give yourself permission to reach that point where you have created 100 YouTube videos. And from there, you can decide what qualities and what standards you want to hold yourself to. I, from now on, give myself permission to upload imperfect videos that is not gonna be polished with 68 different kind of B-rolls, polished with transition and epic music in the background. No. I'm keeping it simple and easy, maybe a little bit fun, and cringy and crappy at the same time. If I'm having the feeling of in my head that this is not good enough, it's going to get out there. It's gonna be pushed out there and I'm gonna move on to the next one. Can't get so stagnated that you don't upload in 3 months. Have to push it. This time I might actually be able to do it consistently and upload every week. Wouldn't that be great? So what the content on this channel could look like in the future is videos that might point out toxic items you could be using every single day that might be fucking a little bit with your health, ruining it slowly over time. We are going to talk about how the forest can heal you. If you are so lucky to live long enough, you're maybe going to experience the power shower technique. I won't keep animals away from this channel. So a relaxing video with nature and animals could get uploaded on this channel. Just like another coffee video with my new equipment. If you have ears and love musical expressions, then we are also diving into the healing powers of music and much more. Thanks for watching till the very end. If you liked the video so far, help it out by smashing the like button. If you are not already subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, go create something beautiful, be amazing, and remember, breathe in deeply. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay amazing.